Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. Today we're going to unbox and test JBL 220BT. It is a wireless headphone. It's around 30 pounds. I'll leave the link below for Amazon in description. Let's get into the video. It is going to be a pure bass, zero cable, 6 hours of battery, Bluetooth, hand-free call, and it is going to be a black and a silver model I bought. Here again you have pure bass, hand-free calls, tangle-free cable, and comfortable earbuds, and 6 hours of battery. So it's have the same look of Apple earbuds in a wireless form. If we have the iPhone 7 earbuds with the lightning cable, you know, the hard shell, it's have the same earbuds with wireless. So a lot of people like Apple headphones because of the comfort ear fit. A USB to micro USB cable, and you have the earbuds. That's pretty much it. And you have the books and warranty. First of all, it's going to be the ear cups. So it will have a little more to wire, so it will go around your neck. So this part of the wire, it will go around your neck, and this will be hanging from your ears to the neck. It's look, the wire is too long, but it's not. When you start using them, you will realize, okay, it's actually perfect. So you have two sides. It will work as two things. It will work as stabilizing the weight to the earbuds. So both of them have a JBL's logo on it, and this one have the charges intakes. So you have a micro USB charger intake on the one of the sides, and other one it's just for the drivers. You have the same earbud as the Apple ones. The same comfort, same feel, and you have a left and right, so you can use, it depends on how you like it. They are very light on your ears. They don't, and if you put them right, they don't fall off. And if you have bigger ears, this will feel very small. If you have a smaller ears, there will be a perfect ear fit. You have left, this is left, and you have the right. You have the control on going to be on here. So you have the volumes up, volumes down, pause and play. That's also work as a microphone and power button. So let's turn that on. So at the moment it's on, and it's giving me a white light, be ready to pair, and that is going to be that 220BT. So let me connect to that, and it's connected to my phone, and now we're going to listen to songs to see how loud this is. It's quite loud for a low volume. Let me put the volume up. So volumes goes up, it's quite loud, perfectly fine on the ear fit. They don't fall off. It's very light earbuds. Volumes down, volumes up. So you have pause and play. So sound wise it's quite loud. So now let's go to YouTube. The bass is quite good. So let's try this on. It's have like really good bass. And it's very clear. Audio wise, no delays or no distortion. Let me try something different. The audio is really clear. It's no distortion, no delay. You have like really good deep bass. So let's try this. So just give it a try. So audio is very clear, no delays, and I can read lyrics to audio. Audio wise, there is no delay or distortion on the JBL. Even though it is around 30 pounds, it's surprisingly is good. It's have really good audio. It sounds like you're paid for like 50-40 pounds for the headphone. it sounds that good. No delays, no distortion on the audio. It sounds very natural and have good bass comparing with any other headphone in that price range. If you're a person who keep losing wireless headphones, but on this one it will be your ideal set to go for. The main reason being you have a wire attached to it, so if you do drop the one earbud, it will still on your neck. You're still saving money by spending less. There will be a big difference when you're looking for a headphone that is around £100, £150 than a £30 headphone. There will be a big difference on the audio, but for the price you're paying on here, which is £30, this sounds much better for a £30 headphone. So if you guys are interested in one of these, I'll leave the link below. If you guys like this videos, please subscribe to the channel, like the videos, comments below. See you guys on the next video. Let me know what you guys want me to review next. See you next. Bye bye.